Buenos días.
¿Usted cuánto tiene?
Sí. Water. ¡Tormentera! Mira el agua.
Parece ahí. Parece más grande, ¿no? Porque no, parece.
Look, where are we?
Formentera.
What's up with my hair? But look at the pirate. What is it called? What is it called? Get out of my... It's alive.
Entonces yo aquí le agarro. ¿Dónde que no? Mira.
Oh my God, looks like alien.
La grande y la
Oh.
que sepa que soy tu contacto.
Wow. No entiendo. Okay, it's the first time in my life I've had a topless paparazzi. I guess only in Ibiza. Topless. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Maria, move. Let me try to zoom in on her. Oh, she's too far. She's right there. Wait, smoking and topless. Okay, there we go. That's her right there. But she's pretending not to look at us. Really, that's a first. I've never had a topless paparazzi. Very interesting. Huh? Café Caleta. It's on fire. You can't see it, but there's a flame. Wow, that's coffee that wakes you up. Amaury, have you ever seen a topless paparazzi?
Ahora vamos, le hacemos una foto antes de irnos.
Hay que pedir una foto, decirle ok. Ya no chingó.
Okay, I can't get the photo, but Amaury got the photo of the topless. Go to Amaury Nolasco's Snapchat to see the picture of the naked paparazzi. You should go and love yourself. And if you think Justin's following me,
That's the part you want?
yes. Hi, surfing Chihuahua. Hi, surfing Chihuahua. I love you.
Solo una.
Oye, se le saltó una copita de champán a la sala de entrada.
Demos una botella, ¿cuál de ellos? Ahora en Perú, no sé.
Tira para después, papito, tira para después. ¡Hágala, cuñado!
Oh my God, I need to work out more. Oh my God. I'm exhausted just watching her. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh. What is she gonna do? Is she gonna sit in it? Ole! Oh my god. Wow. Okay, I really need to work out more. Jesus Christ. These women are swinging from the chandelier. Okay, but on another note, my lashes look amazing, right? I can't do that, but I can do this. And I would beg to differ, this is a little harder to do. Just a little.